Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
First name in uppercase. Right. This is what we are going to do. Let's make it like this. Now it looks so nice. First name in uppercase. So first name of the worker. So where are we going to store this particular field? In which business object? Like the worker business object. There are many business objects with the name worker. So we are going to store it in the worker business object. And what is the function? Format text. Format text because it's so easy to identify. Right, so we will choose from this drop-down. Do we see format text? Here it is. Format text. So let's click on OK. So in the field, I just had a question. And so in the field name, we don't need to add RPT report. If you want, if that is the naming convention you want to follow. Yeah, give me. Right. Like, where are you going to use to report if this calculate field is going to be, I'm manually used in reports. Yes, use RPT. Right. Or if you are going to use it in benefit calculations. Yeah, you use BenCal or BCal or something like that. If you're going to use it in an integration, use INT. Yeah, you can do that. Just add it as part of the naming convention. Okay. It's absolutely fine. No problem. So we are going to do first name in up. Okay. So what will be our source field? What is the source field? This is the field that we are going to convert, right? So what will be the source field? The worker. The first name. The first name, isn't it? The first name. We are going to convert that to uppercase. So we are going to do first name. Let's see if it's the work that delivered field. Right, it's a Workday delivered field. It's a text field, so I'm going to use them. The first name, and let's look at our options. What are our options? I can convert that into lowercase, proper case, or uppercase. In this example, what are we trying to do? A purpose of a case. Uppercase. So I will choose that. Okay, we don't lowercase right. Everything in small letters. What about proper case? We have first alphabet is the uppercase, and the rest are locus in the first character in uppercase. Rest of it in lowercase. But if McNeil in proper case. No, it's a must say no. No, it is not. Right, it is not. So this is something called as mixed case. So the format options will not be able to, and still mixed case right. You saw the drop-down options, lowercase, proper case, or uppercase. If I do proper case for Logan McNeil, the name would be MCNEIL. It will look up. It will start showing like this. Okay, now let me, since we're talking about cases. So what did we talk about? Lowercase. Right? We talked about uppercase. We talked about proper case. Has anyone heard about? Yeah, we also talked about mixed case. This is mixed case. Does anyone know what is the camel case? No. This is called camel case. What is it? It starts with a lowercase letter. The first word is in lowercase. If there is a second word, the second word will start with a capital letter. So it's like proper case. The only difference is the first character of the entire string will be in lowercase letter. Okay, this is called camel case. This is very popular for programmers. They use it a lot when they said declaring a calculated field or a variable, because sometimes what happens in some products, in some programming languages, you cannot have names as a space as part of the name of objects. So you have to put everything together. So if I was creating this particular calculated fields, first name in uppercase. If I was creating this calculated fields in Java, you know how it will look like. It will look like a first name in uppercase. It will look like this. It's called camel case. Is it easy to read right? Better than if I write like this. Is this easy to read or this one? First option or second option, which was easier to read? First order. This is the easier to read. The first one is easier to read right. That is why this is somebody came up with the unique idea. So this is called as camel case. You may follow this when you are naming your parameters in, or maybe when you do accessibility. You may use this in your programming. This is also a naming convention. This is called camel case. Have you heard about the company web methods with the product web methods by a company called Software AG? Okay, look it up. Okay, look up the name. Web methods. You will see, the logo is something like this. Okay, web methods. Right, so is it in camel case? Web methods. Yes. Right, so this is camel case. They are one of the proponents of camel case, this web method software AG. So whenever we write any program or any code in web methods, we use this particular naming convention. They are the ones who started it actually. And then it became popular. Anyway, coming back to our calculation. We are not going to use web methods in this in Workdays, or don't worry. Okay, so we have created our first name in uppercase. We have done the calculation. Anything else we need to do? Additional info, right? Let's fill it up. The description. What is the description? First name of the worker in capital letters. Right? This is what this calculated field is going to do. The category is, let's say, worker. We have a category called worker. Yeah, worker. Any other category. Like a hashtag. You can use other categories also. Maybe you are going to use this in a compensation report. Right, so you can try compensation as well. Maybe you are going to use it in some benefit calculations as well. So maybe benefits. Okay, benefits. And maybe you are going to use it in some integrations. Okay, so you are categorizing this particular report. It is just for easy little locating that particular field, nothing else. And where are you going to use it? Default areas, meaning it is going to be available for everybody. If you are going to restrict it to some particular authorized usage, you can specify that. Like, let's say, benefit or compensation or something.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.